Hello guys, this is Ashok Roman, I Google Merchant Center fixing expert. Today I fixed this Merchant Center suspension issue. Let's see. Uh, Already 146 product is active now. Let's see. Shopping. 141 product is 5 is limited. Okay, no problem. It will be fixed. It was issue. Okay, and I click on shopping. Look, it was suspended from 15 January and active. You can see today is active. Okay, 25. Okay, click new generation. See, there is some missing. We need to correct. Then it will be applied. Then 5 product will be active. Okay, right. Let's see. There is no issue for it to fix. All setup and policy issue will be shown here. Okay, there is no issue to fix account. Let's see. Shopping ads. Look, 141 product is active now. So if you want to fix the Google Merchant suspension issue, misrepresentation, website improvement issue, then contact with me. I will fix you. And see, this is the Merchant Center. Today is active. Thank you so much for watching.